Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to enable camera access on Messenger so you can start video calling and sending photos without any issues. So let's dive in. First, unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. Now tap on Apps and Notifications option. And then tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen and type Messenger. And tap on it. Now tap on Permissions, then select Camera and choose Allow only while using the app to grant camera access. If you have enabled permissions but Messenger still can't access the camera, try the following. Restart your device to apply the changes, uninstall and reinstall Messenger to reset permissions, update Messenger to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. And yes, that's it. You have successfully enabled camera access on Messenger. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.